Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Miss Sassy. I am Sumati. In today's video, you're going to see ice cube challenge video, where on one side of my face I'm going to use regular water ice cubes. On the other side of my face I'm going to use aloe vera gel ice cubes. To know how I made this aloe vera gel ice cubes, refer to my previous video where I have talked about how to extract aloe vera gel and their benefits, which I will be leaving the video link in the description box. You can go and check that out. Okay. So this challenge is all about knowing by the end of the 7th day if this ice cube really does anything to your face with my pimple marks, pimple scars and with my open pores. And also to check that if aloe vera gel ice cubes is more effective than your regular water ice cube. For straight 7 days I'm going to do this challenge. By the end of this challenge, after 7 days, I'm going to see how is my skin going to change. But you don't have to wait for all 7 days. At the end of the video, you will get the results. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. Here on right side of my face I'm using aloe vera gel, and left side of my face I'm going to use a water ice cubes. Start off with a clean washed face and use it in circular motion in upward direction. Guys, please don't mind my puffy face here because most of the day I've shooted early in the morning and that's why we have puffy face and puffy eyes here. I have zoomed my face in so you can clearly see the amount of pimples and redness on my face clearly. After the first use of this ice cube itself, you can see a big difference in your skin, that it has become more tight and your face feels much fresh. While using aloe vera gel, some residue will be there on your face. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can wash it off. In case you don't have aloe vera plant with you, you can just use a store-bought gel and make an ice cube out of it. In case if you have a sensitive skin or can't bear the chillness of ice cube, use it with a cotton cloth wrapped on it like this. I have used an handkerchief. Hold the ice cubes for 5 to 10 seconds on your acne. By doing this, it reduces the swelling and redness of your pimple. Be gentle on your face. Do it slowly in upward direction in a circular motion. You can also use this ice cube on your lips and on your eyes and also on your forehead. This will help to increase the blood flow in these areas of your face. After washing your face, please do use moisturizer. Today is the last day of the challenge and you can clearly see that the amount of acne and redness of my face has clearly decreased, and it also have reduced my open pores to an extent. And talking about the difference between aloe vera gel and normal ice cubes, there is not a big difference between these two kind of ice cubes, but as a result, as a takeaway from this video, I can clearly tell that ice cubes make a big difference to your skin and it really helps. Hey guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification. Until we meet next time, you know what? Stay happy and healthy. Also, please get vaccinated, huh? Bye.